Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Open the trunk. To remove the light block, you must remove the screw which is located on the trunk. To do this, use a 10mm spanner. Slide your fingers between the seal around the trunk and the carpet in order to lift and fold the carpet. Still using a 10mm spanner, unscrew the second holding screw on the headlights. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally, in line with the car. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Remove the board holding the bulbs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Take the new bulb. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the first holding screws back onto the headlights. Put the carpet back in place. Screw the second holding screw back onto the headlights. Put the seal back around the trunk, placing it over the top of the carpet to ensure complete water tightness. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.